ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 95 ஸ்லோகா 9. சர்வாங்கேஷ்வங்க ரங்கத்குதுகமிதி முகுः தாரயன்னீஷ சித்தம் தத்ராப்யேகத்ர யுஞ்சே வதன சரசிஜே சுந்தரே மந்தஹாசே தத்ராலீனம் து சேதः பரமசுகசிதத்வைதரூபே விதன்வன் அன்யன்னோ சிந்தயேயம் முகுரிதி சமுபாரூடயோகோ பவேயம். Word by word meaning. He Anga Isha, O beloved Lord, Sarvangeshu, on all thy limbs, Rangat Kutukam, with growing zeal, Iti Chittam Muhuhu Dharayan, fixing the mind again and again thus, Tatra Api, among those limbs also, Mandahase Sundare Vadana Sarasije, on thy gently smiling, charming lotus face, Ekatra Yunjhe, I shall concentrate on one point. Tatra Alinam Chetaha tu, the mind which is thus absorbed. Parama Sukha Chidadvaita Rupe, in the non-dual supreme bliss, consciousness, Brahman. Vitanvan, immersing. Anyat, no, chintayeyam, I shall not think of anything else. Iti muhugu, thus again and again. Samuparudha yogaha bhaveyam, I shall remain steady in that advanced state of union with Brahman. Full meaning. O beloved Lord, fixing my mind again and again with growing zeal on all thy limbs, I shall then concentrate on one point, on thy gently smiling, charming lotus face, immersing in the non-dual supreme bliss consciousness, Brahman, my mind which is thus absorbed, I shall not entertain any other thought. Thus again and again I shall remain steady in that advanced state of union with Brahman. Note: Krishna's smile represents the Ananda aspect of Brahman. See Bhagavata Skanda 11, chapter 14, verses 43 to 45, which are condensed here. Om Tat Sat.